Memory is the backbone of the digital world, and resilience starts with how it's built. In the United States, Micron is investing $200 billion in leading-edge, high-volume memory manufacturing and R&D leadership. We're expanding in Idaho, building a greenfield mega fab in New York, and modernizing our Virginia fab. These investments will generate 90,000 U.S. jobs and deliver a $1.4 trillion benefit to the U.S. economy. Across Asia, Micron continues to grow front-end memory manufacturing along with packaging and test capabilities. As a leader in smart manufacturing, Micron is certified by the Global Lighthouse Network for Operational Excellence, with AI supporting more than 450 million control points and processing 3 million images of our products daily. These AI-driven manufacturing advancements don't stay in one place. Lessons from Micron's Asia sites directly strengthen our U.S. fabs, accelerating ramp-up and improving yields from day one. At the same time, advances in high-speed automation and robotics in our U.S. processes will enhance performance across our Asia operations. At the core of it all is AI, built on U.S. technologies, powering smart manufacturing globally. By partnering with suppliers, customers, and governments, Micron has built a complementary and AI-supported global memory supply chain. We're reducing risk, advancing innovation, and building the future of memory together.